having as revealed in the book of Moses.
Commandments in loving your pastor. Thou shalt not agree with thy pastor.
Blessed in the public blood, the Lord you sing.
Commandment number 2. Thou shalt give water to drink for thy pastor. Commandment number 3. Thou shalt laugh at thy pastor's joke.
That's it? No, right? This one. That's it. That's it. No, opposite. This one. This one. Tapos eh.
Commandment number 4. Thou shalt respect thy pastor.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Next time, okay. Kaya?
Next time.
Commandment number 5. Thou shalt help thy pastor. Ayos ba yun, mga kapatid? That's it.